My fans have been asking me for more Gujarati fun after the massive success of my video on Gujarati English. This time I have decided to explore Gujarati that is spoken in rural Gujarat. I have come up with a list of 10 funniest sounding words that Gujarati has to offer. Enjoy the Gujarati translation of the English words. Sandas, Jajru, Mutedi, Gunga, Leta, Wando, Rondwa, Baido, Baidi, Podro,